What is up? What a time to be alive. I barely made it to the stream today, but I'm not late. I thought I was going to be late, but I'm not. So what's up, everybody? What's up, Pokar? What's up, Zach? Yeah. I legit thought I would not make it, but yeah, it happened. So we're going to go with it. What's up, Saggy? We, bro. Wait, is that French? Oh man, I don't even know. So yeah, as the screen indicates, we're going to be working on ELA today, or at least the first half. I never have enough material because it takes so much material and I have to like find it, but I found some poems. What's up, Phoenix? See ya, Phoenix. Hey, Ricky. Oh, Vena's here. Nice. Rodney's in too. Sweet. Cool, man. Contrapositive statements are killing me. What's up, Introvert? What's up, Anuj? I just got my coffee. Okay, Ricky. BRB, bro. Just got my coffee. But yeah, I want to work with some ELA stuff, and this is going to be very similar to the beginning of the test that you guys see. I know I don't have anything up on the screen right now, but yeah, we will eventually go through it. What's up, Ease? Hey, man. Hey, man. How's everybody doing? You actually had your first full week of school this week, so congratulations on at least getting through that. Yeah. Okay, so I guess, oh, my watch just broke. Hold up a second. Let me fix this for a second. Oh, man. We're in the end game. And Furnace, if you think this is the end game, bruh, just wait until October comes, and then you will see. Then you will see a game that ends, my bro. For sure. Yeah. Okay. So let's go through this. I guess 2 minutes is already long enough to like for me to sit and drink some coffee. I'm like so tired today, bros. No reason to be scared of boss. Hey, Brielle. Good to have you back. Okay. So let's go through this. I have some grammar that I want to do. Don't be depressed, Rusum. I got you, bro. Oh, hey, Polcrack. That's such a funny name. Yeah, this is that's exactly it, Infernus. September is Infinity War, and October is Hey, Geo. Geo's in the room. Nice. Okay, this was smart chat already, so this should be no problem for you, bros. ELA, bruh. So let me go through. Oh gosh. All right. So hold on a second. I gotta like get my windows right. But yeah, let's go through this and let's talk about each of these questions. Yeah. So let's go through this. Bang. First question. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. I mean, there's a little bit of like, what's up, Red One? Yeah. Oh, Alana's here? Nice. Yeah, I don't know where Study is. He's been MIA recently. Okay, so I think I am like 20 seconds behind on the chat, but no problems. We got our question. Here we go. So you've had a chance to read this already. Yeah, what do you think the answer is? Okay, what's up, Zeden? Geo's on A, Poke's on A. Leong. Infernus is on B. Phoenix is on D. Okay, Zachary's on A. Phoenix is on D. What does converse have to do with World War II, Rusum? You crazy, bro. Saggy's on B. Introvert. Close, bruh. Oh, okay, cool. Dude, shout out to Zeden. What's up, bro? And shout out to Poolcrack for the share, man. Thanks, Pool. Rohan thinks it's D. Skills on D. Poolcrack's on B. Okay, Yashin's on A. All right, bros. You may not like this, but this is what it is. Okay. The captain talked, so that's our verb that we have to make more precise. To some people, okay, so we need to make some people more precise. And their work. What is their work? Okay, so people were saying D. Discuss. That's pretty specific. The navigation with the specialist. I don't know if that is necessarily exactly the main purpose of the sentence, right? So notice that this was some people and now it's specialist. So that's why it can't be D, bros. It can't be D. It can't turn from some people to a specialist, singular. Now, if it said the captain talked to a person about their work, then yeah, that works. But we can't change the meaning, and specialist changes it to one person, bro. Oh, Sport Show's back. Nice, bro. What's up, dude? Yeah, dude, Shad, we're so close. 1K. Okay, so then let's look at C. The captain reprimanded his employees to be more careful. To be more careful is not really as much about their work, and employees is a little bit more specific than some people, but not totally. So we're down to A and B. Now, with his people to ensure efficiency, is that what he means by talking about their work? And is his people that much more precise? Nah, bro. Nah. So yeah, Wiz, reprimanded is more specific, but that's okay. Reminded is pretty specific too, bro. So yeah, what we're left with is A. Is it some people? No, it's his deckhands. Is it their work? No, it's their specific job, securing the anchor. Yeah. So that's how this one goes down. The answer is A, bros. His people, not that specific. Deckhands, very specific. And it's plural, just like some people is plural. So yeah, that's what's up. Okay, cool. Press F to play. All right, let's do the next one. You guys got this. I know it's supposed to be vague, Pool, and then you're supposed to make it more specific, bro. Okay. But I actually don't know if they're gonna have those style of questions anymore. They got so much grief. Like there was like a New York Times article about just that type of question. So whatever. Okay. I'll read this. What we are looking for is a sentence has a problem with its construction and should be revised. Okay, hold on. I gotta like move this like screen up a little bit real quick. Yeah. Okay, so you got 4 choices. Okay, nothing new. You guys can do this. Believe in yourself. Okay, so the mud push back. Did I get a sponsor? No, I did. No, I did not get a sponsor. Oh yeah, what's up, Quan? Yeah, I do need more memes. I like those memes. I wanted to use them, but I couldn't resize them because I had no time before the stream today. No, Badman. I wish I had a G Fuel sponsor. I would never be this tired again. That's gamer fuel for epic gamer moments. All right, so which sentence has a problem with its construction and should be revised, bros? Laurel thinks it's A. Saggy's on B. Yeah, I see you, Saggy. It's all good. Pokar's on B. Okay, good luck, Rusem. You got it, bro. Yashin's on B. Geo's on it too. Yep, Saggy. That's what's up, dude. Rona B. Rodney B. Yeah. And a cat. You got B too. Noise. Leung's got it. Okay, maybe this was too easy. Geo's got it. Yeah, homework sucks, dude. Yeah, Laurel. Exactly. Yeah, SHSAT prep is an esport, dude. Dude, you don't even know the carpal tunnel I have from doing all these math problems. Okay, Zeden's got B. Phoenix has got it. Quan's got B. Okay, Wiz. Yeah, bro. Skills. Ricky. Rohan's on C. Why, Rohan? I respect that. Going against the grain. E's got B. Badman's on B too. Yeah, cool. Okay, so let's talk about it. So obviously Laurel picked A, but then switched the answer. The mud pushed back the levee and the whole street was in danger of being flooded with sludge. Now, this is a dash. Dashes can do a couple things. They can act like non-essential modifiers. They can also act like colons. And yeah, this brown, thick Arkansas soil mixed with river water is defining what the sludge is. So that's actually properly placed. Because guys, remember, problem with its construction most likely means problem with the non-essential modifiers. Bruh. I sound like a goat. Okay, working as fast as humanly possible, the levee was reinforced by the townspeople. The levee. That is the nearest noun to working as fast as possible. Can the levee do work? No, the levee cannot reinforce itself. People, townspeople, are reinforcing it. So that's who are working as fast as humanly possible. The levy isn't even human, so how could it work? You know what I'm saying? So that's why it's B. Now, let's look at the sentence structure of these because I tried to make them complicated. Tom Bilby Jones, the town's mayor. Now, the town's mayor is a modifying phrase and it describes Jones, so that's pretty money. And then the townspeople grab their belongings, or as much as they could carry. Or as much as they could carry is describing what their belongings are, right? It's not all of their belongings, it's as much as they can carry. What's up? So yeah, the answer is sentence 2. Good job. You can't see, but I'm clapping for you. So congratulations, everybody. You did it. I really should not be deleting these off of this. Hold on. I gotta like delete some stuff so I could not totally lose these because I'm gonna use these later in my life. Okay. So this is gone. Okay. Then this, see you later. Okay. Bang, 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 bang. All right, bros. Here we go. Let's rock. This is the next one. Oh, whoops. Sorry. You're gonna have to hold on for a second. Oh, hold on. I just did the wrong thing, so you have to excuse my my lameness a little bit. Okay. Cool. See you later. All right, we're back. Wow, we're official now, bros. Okay. 110 millions. Don't forget to subscribe. Very professional live stream here. Okay, so here's the question. Finally, you guys can read it. So there you go. Okay. So this should be updated now. So check it out. Bow. Dude, I've been playing way too many Brawl Stars. It's been like affecting my life. Just kidding, but not really. All right. So here's the question. Let's get it. S for Stuyvesant. Very nice, Rona. That is probably the wrong answer, but just kidding. Oh no, you guys are saying where you want to go. My bad. Yeah, and Quan, you get a cookie, bro. I got you for one cookie, but yeah, it's just gonna take like a year for me to send it to you, but you'll get it. You'll get it, bro. You want to go to Staten Island? All right, bro, you can get it. Just put that first. Don't be afraid to list a school. Okay, Leong thinks it's B up in here. Laurel agrees. Phoenix agrees. Okay. Yeah, Poke's on it too. Saggy's on it. Redwall, Rohan. Okay. Geo, I see you. Okay. Yeah. Good. Crunchy's on it. Yep, Rodney's on it. Badman. Noise. Geek. Oh, Geek's in the room. Nice. Introvert. Okay, nice. Badman, I think you already got your answer, bro. Yashin, Shad. Good, bros. Good. That's what's up. Okay. Yeah, I don't need to go over this, but I will, just in case people are kind of watching. There was decoration on the streets as the men parading through the road smash their boots onto the pavement. Now, a lot of people don't like this parading because it's present tense. But if you're doing one verb while doing another verb, you need the parading as they smashed. So you can't say parade as they smashed. That would be wrong. So yeah, that's good to go. Mitch throws his hat onto his head, bro. Even though this is thinking, same thing like parading. It just means he's throwing his hat on his head while he's thinking. So he's thinking, but then you gotta make this past tense. This is present tense, and that's wrong. Yeah, the whole thing's past tense. Good job, bros. 10 points. Everybody gets 10 points. So, you can write home and tell everybody. Dude, yeah, Eveline, the SHSAT is really soon. But the fact that you're studying should make you less depressed, at least a little bit, because then at least you're doing something about it. Okay, so oops, let me feel like such a boomer right now. I'm like, technology. Okay, so yeah, there we go. Let's get it. Yeah. Well, if you put sty and then they accept you for sty, I don't know how that works, but I think you got to go. Maybe you can tell them no, but I'm pretty sure if you list a school first and they pick you like got to do it. Tyler, do you get a cookie? Yeah, you get a cookie, Quan. I got you, bro. Just go to your nearest Subway sandwich restaurant and demand a cookie and say Tyler said that you can have one for free, and they'll know what you're talking about, but you just have to scream it. You can't say it quietly. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Dude, Leon, you could look about like ranking online. There are people who've talked about it for sure. All right, what do you guys think about this one? Is there a problem on the screen? Yeah. Yeah. What do you guys think about this one? All right, Rohan's got C on this one. Batman, why you keep saying no delete, bro? Okay. Yeah, Rohan's pretty confident on C. Okay. Oh, hey, Pierre. What's good, kid? Okay. 720's got C. Roy's got D. All right. Anna Ket. That's a cool name, bro. It's CCCC. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people started in the summer, but bro, I've seen miracles. Like I've seen kids study for like 3 weeks and get in, but like it's just harder to do. Oh, Rodney's got C. Okay. Gio's on C. Poke's on D. Okay. Nahar's on C. Okay, Laurel, I see you on C, and I see some retracted messages. Oh, Shad is on C. Okay, Kwan's on C. Sagi, got sticking with D there. Okay, Phoenix is on it. Ease is on C. No, Rohan, but if you need materials, email me, bro. I got you. Red One's on it. Cavena's on it. All right. So let's go through it, dudes. Do you guys know what they mean? Error in sentence structure. Now, we dealt with error in sentence construction. Sentence construction generally means non-essential modifiers, bros. Sentence structure means punctuation. So I'm going to go through this pretty quick, but you can always replay the video. When Jeff came to town. Jeff came to town is a full sentence, but this is a dependent marker. When Jeff came to town, ... So if we start a sentence with a dependent phrase like this, we got to throw a comma. So that's a legit comma. But then we go into his old town of Seattle. Okay, I guess this is just a big non-essential modifier, but this is still a dependent phrase. So yeah, all the way through Washington, we do need this comma after Washington. Because that's a dependent phrase. Then we have our independent clause right here, so we're good to go. All right, word. He looked through the windows, tried to get open the front door, and called the owner's name through the mail slot, a rusted metal hole in the door. Now, this is a non-essential modifier describing the main mail slot, so yeah, you need a comma to separate it from the rest of the sentence. Bros, keep in mind, a non-essential modifier can end a sentence, so don't get tricked, right? He didn't hear any movement inside, so in a moment of genius, he decided to call the owner's phone number. Now, here's the answer. The answer is C. That's right, bro. The answer is C. He didn't hear any movement inside. Well, that is a full sentence. So, in a moment of genius, this is a non-essential modifier, so we could just get rid of it straight up. He didn't hear any movement inside, so he decided to call the owner's cell phone number. That is also a complete sentence. So here's our fanboy. Bruh, we need a comma before that fanboy to make a comma fanboy. Remember, comma fanboys are the same things as periods. So just keep that in mind, bruh. Okay, cool. So that's the answer. This is actually correct. It's just a non-essential modifier ending it. So yeah. Okay, I think that is it. Okay, so I want to go on now to another really cool thing I have ready for you guys. So check it out. See you later. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right. I have reading comprehension. Oh man, and what tragedy too, because Rachel asked for poetry, and now look who's not here. Wow. How do I get the material, Rohan? Just email me, dude. I'll put my email at the end of the stream, or really any stream. Yeah. All right. For the Guardia, there's an audition pool. Yeah, you like audition and you like show off your art or whatever. Yeah, just audition. Just email me, Roy, and I got you, bruh. Yeah. So my email is tylertutortestprep@gmail, my dude. But I put it at the end of every video. You did this poem? Where did you do this poem, geek? I try to get material you guys have never seen before, and I like searched the internet for this. Yeah, give it a shot, Quan. No, I did not get this from the Dream textbook. I got this poem off a website for poetry, and I wrote these questions myself. No way you did these questions. No way. I just wrote them this morning. No, it's not from Kaplan. No, you guys, I did not take this material. No way. No way. It's not in Kaplan Dream and Art. No way. Okay, maybe they use this poem. Okay, maybe they use the poem. These questions are mine. These are totally my questions, bro. So, yes, Badman, I went to the dark web. I was behind like 7 VPNs. So, like, honestly, yeah. So go ahead and throw your answers in the polls, guys. I should have said that. I did not steal this material. You guys triggered me so hard. Like, I spent like an hour putting this together, finding this poem and putting it together. So go ahead and throw your answers for the first 2 in the poll in the upper right corner of the screen. So if you know, I do need to make my own book. That's partially why I'm putting all these materials together. I think I'm going to do that. Oh, Rohan, I just got your email, bro. I'll hit you back after the stream, okay? So yeah, thanks, guys. So yeah, first 2 questions. Put your answers in the poll up above. Whatever you think the answers are, go ahead, throw them in the poll. And smash that like button if you like the fact that I absolutely don't steal material. Just occasionally from Pearson's, but that's it. All right. Yeah, actually, Evelyn, I can show you part of my website that has every topic in math. Okay, so put your first 2 answers for the first 2 questions. We're gonna go through this at the end. So yeah, put your first 2 answers. Go ahead, throw them in there. Okay. Oops, wrong one. I'm so unorganized. Okay, cool. Let's do the next 3 questions. Bang. All right, bros. Go ahead, throw your answers in the poll if you can. Go ahead. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in your skills and abilities. You can do that. Go ahead, throw your answers in the poll or in the chat. Doesn't really matter. And we'll go through it. Okay, Rona's got C and D for the first 2. Yeah, Rohan's got C and D too. Nice, bro, nice. Okay. Yeah, you can use the poll in the upper right corner. Just so it's interesting for me to come back and be like, oh, wow, a lot of people got this one, or a lot of people didn't get this one. For sure. Yeah. Okay, yeah, these next 3 questions. The poll is in the upper right corner, Aniket. It's like in the upper right corner of the screen. There's like a little eye icon. And you can click that and you can put the poll. Yeah, exactly. Okay, yeah. Okay, so 1A, 2A, 3B. Oh, interesting, okay. We'll go through this for sure. Yeah. Yeah, you may have seen the poem before. These questions are all original. I don't like read everybody's books, so I don't know what everybody's done. Well, not really, Pokar. I feel like I just looked and like 20 people used it yesterday, so I was like, whoa, that's way more than I thought. So a lot of people are voting. That stinks, Quan. Yeah, well, you could study here, bro. Where do I get my poems from? Just some like lame website, like poem collection website. Yeah, I mean, it's not really that chill. Oh, that's good, Laurel. Dang. Okay, so let's go through these because I want to like talk about them. So let's go through these questions. Okay, first one. Whose frown and wrinkled lip a sneer of cold command, right? Tells us the statue's face expressed. All right, bros. So let's just talk about this poem really quick. Because I think it's important that you understand what the poem is talking about before you actually jump into it. So I met a traveler from an antique land who said, and then this is the rest of the poem. Two vast and trunkless legs of stone stand in the desert, okay? Near them on the sand, half sunk, a shattered visage. And visage, for you guys who don't know, means face. So a shattered face lies, whose frown and wrinkled lip and sneer of cold command, blah, 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 blah. And that's Ozymandias, right? King of Kings. So chances are, if this dude had these things built for him, right? He is not like saying, oh, make me look mad sad in it. He's not saying, oh, make fun of me. No, he's probably pretty serious, bros. And contentment kind of means happy. So A is not correct. I know it says frown. I know it says frowns, bro. But it says wrinkled lip and sneer of cold command. So cold command and sneering. So the frown is more of probably a disapproval than like a boohoo, like crying, sad kind of frown. So yeah, the answer for number one is C, bros. The answer to number one is C. That's a serious face. He is like, I am a king. Do not mess with me. I will conquer you. I will destroy you. And yeah, that's that sneer of cold command. The frown is just like a, oh boy, you gonna get it frown. Okay, let's look at number two. Nothing beside remains round the decay of that colossal wreck. Dude, what a crazy poem this is, by the way. I don't know. I'm like really into history, so this type of stuff is like, oh wow. Like, oh wow. Okay, so I have to scroll up a little bit. All right, cool. So let's check this. What function does it have in the poem? Now look at it where it's at in the poem. That's where it is, right? And it's right after we say, look on my works, ye mighty, and despair. So, dude, this king was real into himself. He's like, look at what I've done, you mighty people, and people, look at what I've done. You should despair. You should be scared of me. But beside him, nothing remains anymore. It's just decay. It's a wreck. It's boundless. You know what I'm saying? So he may, back in the day, have really been something, but now it's literally nothing. So the answer to number two is D. That's the answer to number two, bros. D. Yes, it highlights a duality between the old and the new, but it's less about old and new and more about when you have power and when you don't, right? And to show the old and ancient the statue is, nah, that it's more of a like, they put that everything is empty. Just like if you were to say, wow, look at all of my friends, and then people look around and nobody's hanging out with you. That's like the same thing. It's like it's like calling stark contrast there. Yeah, it's tough, bro. It's tough. You can't always be cool. Basically is the moral of this is that you may be pretty cool, but you can't always stay that way. All right, number three, from the poem, we can infer that the author, now many people would think it's an adventurer or whatever, or he's a historian, but that doesn't really, there's no real proof of that. All we know is that this dude from an ancient land came and told him something, and the author remembered it and now is retelling the story. So, lost his own kingdom? Probably not. 3 is B, interested in stories. Okay, 4, we can assume that when it was built, the statue was probably not made to mock him because it was a massive testament to his like thing that he built. Used to scare peasants. Nothing in the poem mentions that. Built to fall apart. Again, it did fall apart, but there's nothing in the poem to really say that it was built in order to fall apart. So that's probably why it's surrounded by a city, because he says, ye mighty, he says, look on my works, ye mighty, and despair. So around his statue were probably some of his works. So we can assume that it was surrounded by a city. Last one, Ozymandias' demise is because too many critical battles. That's us assuming, we don't know. He became too old and crumbled. That's cool, but that's his statue, not him. He didn't accomplish enough. Well, what did he even accomplish? We don't even know. And That's why the last one, 5, is D. Yeah. Yeah. So to answer your question, Badman, the new video is going to be coming out either tomorrow or over the weekend. I had to refilm it. I actually had to just change what I was doing pretty much, but it'll be coming out really soon. So yeah. Okay, cool. So that, bros, was ELA. That's what that was. Wow. Who could have believed it? Yeah, good job, Quan. 4 cookies. I'm telling you, bro. Go to Subway restaurants. Say, Tyler says that you need to give me 4 cookies. And trust me, dude, they'll give you 4 cookies, bro. Like, that is guaranteed. Okay, so let's see. That was that. All right, so now I'm dropping frames. So let me restart the stream now that I'm like back on my cam. So just hold up, bros. Yeah. Okay. So I guess I don't know. Yeah, dude, Subway keeps calling me saying they keep giving away free cookies, and I'm just like, hey, don't bother me, man. I'm working. Cool. So yeah, this should be much better now. All right, bros. So what else do you guys? Is there any like requests of things we can work on? Because I could like whip up some problems for us to do, but yeah, is there anything that people want to be working on? Aren't I good in ELA? Yeah, I actually specialize. I used to work for this company, and I specialized on the grammar section of the SAT. So I'm pretty bomb at ELA, bro. Like I can get a perfect every single time. Okay, you want to work on circles poke? We can do that. Modifiers, more poems. Well, Pool, I don't have any other poems. It takes me like an hour to put a poem together for you guys because I have to find a poem that's at the right length, the right reading level. I don't have more poems. I'm sorry. I wish I had more poems for you guys. I really don't. I could write a poem, but trust you guys would not like that if I wrote a poem. Trig. Yeah, I don't have Rodney. I don't have more I don't have more ELA. Like math, I can make up, but I can't like write an ELA. Tell us all the grammar rules. Okay, so you guys are talking about grammar rules pretty hard. So we can definitely do that. Okay, Sherpa, I see you, bro. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, we can go into some grammar, I guess, what the grammar rules are or whatever. Zidden wants to go into geometry. 12.5 poke. Yeah. Okay, we can go into a little bit of grammar. We can do a little bit of geometry. It seems kind of split right now. Let me see. What could be difficult for you guys? Oh yeah, okay. You just slammed your finger in your desk? Bro, that's tragic. Wiz wants to do trig. Okay. Yeah, we could probably do some trig, dude. Let's see. Trig. Okay, we could do some trig. And basically what trig is just triangles, bro. That's all it really is. Yeah. Oh, what's up, Alicia? You just missed my attempt at doing like ELA. It's glorious. All right, so let me see. Do it instead. Okay. So what could be difficult for you guys? Math rules. Do I think you can get the Bronx Science? I don't know, man. Ben, have you taken any practice tests, bro? Yeah. Sector and arc problems too. We can do that. You're drinking guava juice? That's pretty chill, bro. All right, so let me put a problem together for you guys. Let me get my ruler. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Lovely. Okay, that's a good start. I can teach you how to read. just know that every letter has a sound. So that's a good start for you, bro. To just learn those sounds. Rodney, yes, we can do geometry, bro. I'm just cooking one up right now. I'm in the kitchen. How many hours should you study a day? Minimum one. Like, come to the live stream, dude, at the very least. Because I'll tell you, dude, I'd noticed, like, all the OGs that have been here for 2+ months, you guys have gotten smarter. Like, I have to make harder and harder problems for you guys. It's been so crazy. Okay, so let's say that, this is, let's do something fun. So this is 6 feet. Okay. And this is 6 feet. And this is 6 feet. This is A, B, C. Okay. Ooh, this is gonna be a good one. Ooh, this is good. This is gonna be a good one. Okay, hold on. Let me get my colors. My colors. Also, guys, don't forget, if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. I'd love to have you guys come by the streams and stuff like that. And I'm trying really hard. I've been grinding, bros. Like, let's be honest. I've been grinding really hard. Been working to try to get to 1,000 subs. High quality, fresh streams. So if you definitely are not subbed already, definitely drop a sub. Super appreciate all of that stuff. Cool. Okay, so let's go through this. Here's the question. Oops. Can you guys read that? No, I'll just zoom in this way. All right, let's get it. The sector of a circle has triangle ABC as part of it. In terms of pi, what is the area of the shaded region? Let's go. Pixel, you can prep with me, bro. You don't need tutors. I am a tutor. I actually tutor people, so yeah. Dude, thanks, Eveline. I appreciate that. Okay, poker's got 4.5 pi. Poke. Oh, dude, thanks, Infernus. Introvert's got that too. You guys might want to look at this again. Yeah. Pool crack. All right. Well, dude, what about the area of the triangle? Has no one? Geo? Zidden? 18 pi, Henry? Henry, did you take a 6th of that, bro? Yeah, I do kind of sound sick today, yeah. Rodney's got it too. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Saggy's got it. All right. Ooh, I'm interested to see if that's the right answer, bros. Crunchy. Yeah, I think this might be a trick. It could be a trap. Skills. Maybe I tricked you guys. I don't know. This does not seem like the right answer. Maybe it is. But I don't know. 4.5 Quan's on it too. Okay. Crunchy, Anaket. Got you, Anaket. Venna. Quan. Yeah, Quan, I got you, play. Okay. I got you. Ricky. It is a trap. Dude, I think it is a trap. Phoenix. Okay. All right, so let me go through this one just because I feel like you guys got trapped. Whoa. Dude, yeah, skills. You will be in the OG stream for sure. Yeah, shout out to skills. So guys, okay. So first thing first is we're dealing with a equilateral triangle. So that means this is 60 degrees up in here. So if this is a circle segment, this is 60 degrees out of 360. So part over whole, that's going to be 1/6 of a circle. Okay. So what is the whole area of this circle? 36, because it's pi r squared, right? So, oh, did you guys think that this was like 180 degrees and that's why? Oh, but even then, this would be 3 feet, 9 feet. Yeah, okay. All right, I understand what happened. So, okay, so here's what I was hoping for, and here's what you guys actually did. You guys just looked at this like a half circle, which is what it looks like. And so you knew that the radius of this half circle was 3, so that the area would be 9 pi, and then you took half of that. So good job, I guess. But I want to do a different problem that challenges you in a different way. That was not what I was planning. I'm sorry. Actually, no, I regret nothing. So let me try again. Take 2. This will be much better, I promise. And if it's not, then, well, don't worry about it, it will be. Okay, here we go. Will it be to scale? No, it won't be to scale. But that's okay, because you guys are pros, and you guys don't need to scale. All right. That is so ugly. Hold on. Rachel, you missed it. We did poems at the very beginning. I did it for you, and you weren't even here. I was so sad. I mean, I wasn't that sad, but I was still pretty sad. Okay. Do something like this. Something like that. Oh my gosh. I'm trying, bros. Okay. Beautiful. All right, here's the question I wanted you guys to answer. 6 feet, 6 feet, 6 feet. Okay. All right, this is what I was hoping for. Hold on. This whole thing. Okay, here's the question that I had intended for you guys. So let's do it legit. This whole thing is the part of a circle with center point G. What is the shaded region? Okay, so let's do this. I literally cannot stop killing trees. Sorry. Dude, yeah, Rusum, you can send me a picture of your homework. I'll do some problems, bro. I got you, bro. Don't even trip. Yeah, we can do more poems. Thank you, Badman. Dude, I will never cut off my beard. No way. I mean, maybe someday, but just not right now. Okay, so Crunchy, is that an answer play? I'll give you a second to confirm, but we do have one answer in the bucket here. Yeah, I got you, Rusum. Oh, that's Wiz. Wiz, got you, bro. 4.5, you got Rohan? 4.5, is that pi or what is that, Rohan? 36 pi minus 18 feet. Dude, people are having problems with this one. Geo. What's up, introvert? Yeah. Did I give everybody? Saggy, I got you, bro. 6 pi minus 3 rad 3. Okay, that's a popular answer. Leong, I got you, play. 6 pi rad 3, Quan? Okay. 6 pi rad 3. Got you, Quan. Yeah, I think it does. No, it says saggy. 4.5 from Rohan. Got you, bro. 6 pi rad 3. Got you, Quan. Yeah, we can do radicals, bro. 6 pi rad 3. Got you. All right, I'll give you guys like another 2 minutes on, like another minute on this minimum. Yeah, what's up, Rachel? 6 pi 2 rad 27. Oh, go. 6 pi minus 2 rad 27. Who is that? Venna? All right. This is hard. This is a hard question. I'm just realizing that, Ben. Yeah, we can do fiction stories with inference. Yeah, for sure. You should look at the poem that we did earlier today, Rachel. You should just like jump back to the beginning of the stream and look at that. Yeah, you meant minus Quan. Okay, so let me show you guys how to do this one. 6 pi minus 3 rad 3. That is a popular answer. Anaket, I got you. Cool. Ben, I already got you, player. It's okay, Quan. 1 foot. Is that your answer, Pool? That's pretty good. It's a pretty good guess, bro. Okay. So, all right. Hey, Rusum, I just got your email, bro. So, yeah, I'll check it out. All right. So, I'm only going to do a couple, I promise. Okay. Rodney, 6 pi minus 4.5 rad 2. Okay. 6 pi minus 4.5 rad 2. Okay. And that's for Rodney, my dude. Radney. Okay, cool. 6 pi minus rad 3. Quan, you wish you could change your answer, bro. You wish. Shad, got you, dude. All right, let's go through this. Is a number, thus you can't prove. That's a good point, in fairness. Okay, so let's go through this. So here we have a sector of a circle, guys. What we're looking at is an equilateral triangle. So this is going to be 60 degrees up in here. So we know, like I was talking about earlier, that's 1/6 of a circle. So if this is the radius of the circle, 6 feet, then radius squared pi, 36 pi feet squared, is going to be the actual full area. And we're going to take 1/6 of that. So it's actually going to be the whole thing. And I mean, this whole thing is going to be 6 pi feet squared. Okay, now we need to subtract this triangle. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide it in half to find out what the height is. Okay, this is 3, this is 6, so we could throw it into the Pythagorean theorem because that's a right angle up in there, bros. Now you could know your 30, 60, 90 triangle and just know straight up that that's 3 rad 3 if you were really boss status. But yeah, you don't have to. You definitely don't have to. But that's what it is. If I did do the Pythagorean theorem, that's what that is. So we're going to do base times height times 1/2. So that's going to be 9 rad 3 over 2. So that is going to be 4.5 rad 3. Rodney, do you get 4.5 rad 2? Oh my gosh. Nobody got this. So it's going to be 6 pi minus 4.5 rad 3. No, nobody got that. Oh my gosh. You got it, Rachel. Yeah, well, that poem may be in your homework, but the questions are. Oh, dude, Rodney. Yeah. Yeah, the questions are original. I wrote them this morning. Yeah. So yeah, nobody got this one. Do we need to ever do a redemption? We got to do a redemption, bros. How is 3 rad 3 times 6? Oh, it is times 6. Yay, skills. Okay, good. That corrects me. Thank you. So it would be 3. It would just be 9 rad 3. But nobody has that. Nobody has 9 rad 3 anyways. So, yeah. Because, yeah, it would be 6 times rad 3 divided by 2. So that'd be 18. So that would be 9 rad 3. But yeah, nobody Nobody has 9 rad 3 anyways. Okay, so dude, I do buy all of the paper shod when I go. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Let's do a redemption. Let's do a redemption, guys. That won't be as hard, I promise. I promise you. I promise it won't be hard. I promise. Okay, so let's say, ooh, that would actually be kind of cool. How would I do that so that it would be, let's see. So I could do like, okay, hold on. All right, I think this is coming together, bros. Okay, wow, that's beautiful. Okay. Lovely. Okay. Okay. Let's get it. What is the area of half the triangle? Yeah. 1 plus 2. If we have time at the end of the stream, we can talk about it, but I can't really get into a problem like that right now. 4.5 rad 3. All right, skills, I see you. Nice. All right, I'll give you guys another minute on this one. Nine from Henry. Geo got it too. Okay. Yeah. Shad got it too. When I show you guys what this problem is, yeah. Infernus, Wiz, Nut Poke. Okay. Okay, the redemption seems to be real here. Yeah, the house I'm staying at right now has these like super cute dogs. I'm like so excited, but they really like when they play with each other, they like bark at each other. So what can you do? All right, so that's enough time. And we should probably talk about it. Rodney. Okay. So yeah, exactly. Talk about overthinking. What is it? Aniket has got 9 rad too. Gotcha, Aniket. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Yeah, dude. 1K sub stream, I will just play with dogs for an hour. Yeah, okay, so Leong's got an interesting perspective there. I gotta write your name down, dude, but to make it a square, that's one way you can play with this, so that's kind of cool. None of them are Shibas. No, they're Shih Tzus. They're like they're Shih Tzu. Shih Tzus is what they are. Miscellaneous. Got you, dude. Cool. Good. All right, dudes, you're going to see this and you're going to be like, oh my God, why didn't I see this? So obviously this is 90 degrees. So that's 45 and 45, 90, and the triangle's got to add up to 180. Ask yourself, what is the definition to the height? Venna, I see you. What is the definition to the height of a triangle? It goes from one corner to the base and forms a 90-degree angle. But bros, we have one corner to the base with a 90-degree angle. And if this 45-degree angle creates a 6, then this 45-degree angle is going to create a 6 too. So this is 6. Our base is going to be 6. Our height is going to be 6. And then we find just the area of the triangle. That's all we have to do. So it's going to be 1/2, 6 times 6, 1/2 of 36, which is 18. So that is the area of the full triangle. So to find the area of the half triangle, take half of it, bang, we're home. Okay, so that is the fast way to do this, right? You can't assume it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle just because one side has a 3 in it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's the easy way to do this. What you can do is draw a height here. Okay, we're splitting this 90-degree angle in half, so we have a 45, 45, 90. Okay, that means that the hypotenuse is x rad 2, so you could say 6 rad 2 equals x and solve it that way to find your x and your x here. But dudes, that's what you're gonna get. Yeah, so just keep in mind the height of a triangle. If you've got a right triangle, one of the legs is always going to be the height. So yeah, just be on the lookout for that. They will definitely use that. So good job on the people who kind of saw through that, saw through the charade. Very nice. This was actually a super easy problem, but it looked hard. It looked hard, which is all that matters. 6 rad 2 was the base. Ah, no, I see. I see. Okay. All right, guys. So I got one more problem, I guess, that we can do. Skills is spurking out. That's so funny. He's like caught up in the filter. You can't even see what he's saying. That's funny. Okay, so one more question, and then I gotta go because I have to prep for another session that I have tonight. Yes, triangles will be on the 8th grade miscellaneous, so just keep that in mind. Okay. Okay. Here's the last question. I'll read it to you guys. I'm here. It just took me a while. Okay, last question. I hope this works. Robert owns 38 milling plants in America. He shut down one for inspection. The dust the machines make cause 4,850 cubic feet of sawdust every week. Okay, because the sawdust exceeds the limit, 2 more mills are closed for operations. If his company continues to operate this way for 2 years, how many mills in total are closed? Let's go. I don't know, because I've never taken the Regis Infernus. But I guess they're kind of hard. I have no idea. All right, I'll give you guys like another minute on this one. Poke, that's so funny. Do you need a calculator? Do you need a calculator for this one? I don't want to tell you. Yeah, dude, another day of no static. What a time to be alive. Yeah, I almost minored in physics, Shad. I can help you, bro. Pokar got 0. Okay. Anybody else come take a stab at this? I'm going to show the answer to you. And this is only for experts only. Okay. 89 whiz. Okay. There is no negative answer. No. Yeah, there is an answer. Negative 71 from Poke. Well, you want to change your answer from 0, bro? Yeah, this is a hard question, but I think it's a really good one, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Okay, so okay, so this is how you do this one. He owns 38 milling plants. Okay, he shut down 1 for inspection. Okay, the dust the machines cause is 4,850 cubic feet of sawdust a week. Okay, because the sawdust exceeds the limit, 2 more mills are closed for operations. Okay, do we have what the limit is? No. So we know that 1 mill shut down and then 2 more are closed for operations. If this company continues to operate this way with 3 mills closed for 2 years, how many mills in total are closed? Well, let's look. We have 1 that's closed, and then we have 2 more that is closed. The answer is 3. There's 3 mills that are closed. That's it. Did I throw way too much information into this? Yeah, I did. But they close 1, so they close 2 more, and then they operate that way for 2 years. How many total are closed? Well, 3, because they closed 3. I got you with the 1 plus 2 at the end, bros. I got you with the 1 plus 2. You guys can never hang with that problem. It's too hard. It is too difficult. Oh, 89 was your Regents? My bad, dude. My bad. No, don't dislike. I'm okay, yeah. So yeah, I got you, Wiz. Don't even worry about it. So yeah, the answer's 3 to this. There's 3 that are closed. That's how this one goes down. You guys thought it was hard, but really it was just easy. Okay, so I did talk to you guys about emailing me. You guys are welcome to at any time. Yeah, so definitely hit me up if you have any questions. I'm doing Rusum's homework for him today, I guess. Yeah, if you have a physics question, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead, dude. You can send it. Yeah, if you can't solve 1 plus 2, don't worry. Stephen Hawking couldn't solve 1 plus 2. Even Elon Musk has trouble with that sometimes, so don't even trip. So here's my website. Guys, if you haven't already, you should go to my website and play my games on it. I have Deep Mine, which is, I think, really chill. And then I have a game I'm probably going to get rid of called Geometry Swamp, which you can also play on my website. Yeah, they're pretty chill. Deep Mine is all about precision. Geometry Swamp is obviously just like, yeah, obviously just, a swamp of geometry. Yeah. So yeah, dude. Good stream today. Good stuff, bros. We worked on that ELA. I'm so proud of you. But yeah. All right. I'm going to get out of here because I have to prep for another session. So I do got to dip. So yeah. Oh, yeah. See you tomorrow, 6 p.